You have now been granted access. My life is pretty lit, so y'all, let's go. Y'all wanna come to Cabo with me? Get in the suitcase. Hey everybody, I'm back y'all with a video and about one of my favorite things to do, travel. But before we travel, we have to pack. So that's what we're gonna do today. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe at the end of this video. And I don't know, maybe y'all could get some tips from me on packing for a vacation. And who knows, I might be able to get some tips from y'all. I feel when I'm more organized, I feel when I have everything laid out and folded, it's easy to just plop it in the suitcase. When I think about vacation, I think about colors, I think about the tropics. That's where I like to travel the most. So I like my wardrobe to reflect that. I love bright colors, deep golds. You gotta definitely have a heel when you go away. You wanna have a little sneaker, so that's my espadrille sneaker vibe. A flat is always good. A sparkly sandal works. We have some purses here. We got swimsuits. We have cover-ups. I got my PJs. And we're ready to go. This is my new luggage. It's my first time using it. I'm excited. It's big enough for the way that I overpack, but that's okay. Don't judge me, because sometimes we don't know what the vibe is gonna be. You might get there and it's raining and you gotta remember to pack a pair of sneakers. I've always learned, if you run cold like me, pack a hoodie, pack a jacket, pack a pair of sweats. So how I like to do it is I start with my shoes at the bottom. I don't know, even if they're a new pair of shoes, I just don't like the idea of shoes, especially worn shoes, on my clothes or on my undies or near my makeup. I put them in a shoe bag and then I like to place them in the suitcase. Okay, so another thing that I'm always trying to do when I travel is downsize. Like, obviously I don't want to be walking around with big bottles and jars of toiletries, and make it more compact. All of my toiletries, even after I downsize and condense it, I put them in a Ziploc bag because then I'm double secure. It's inside of a bottle. Obviously I close the bottle tight, but you just never know. We don't want nothing leaking on our clothes. I am a roller most times, depending on the fabric or the material, when I'm trying to save space. Okay guys, so that is how I pack for a vacation. Make sure y'all like and subscribe this video. Do y'all want more vacation packing inspired videos? Let me know. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more digital access granted.